Hi friends, welcome to TechBeam Vlogs. Today I'm back again with a new video. This time I'll be focusing on the Hero Xpulse white color. It's just arrived in the showrooms and here it is, the entire lot of the vehicles here. You can see all the colors here and the white, the most awaited one is right here. There's a whole bunch of white colored Xpulses here and I'm going to be giving you all a close look at this fantastic value for money adventure bike that you can find on Indian roads. This is the Xpulse 200 Fi, the BS6 variant. A lot of you have been asking which color do we choose for the Xpulse. Today I want to put an end to the confusion and here it is, the most awaited white color here. It's been missing since the day the other colors were launched, but finally it is here and I just want to say that this color looks fantastic in the white color here. I'm really happy to see this color. Wow, it leads a classic touch to this Xpulse here. I have the other most favorite color here, the red one here. Even this is good, but if you ask me which color I would choose for my Xpulse, this would be it. I would choose the white color here. This looks classic and most ADVs look very good in white. So anybody who's in the market to buy this Xpulse, if you're confused over which color do you choose, I would definitely recommend the white. Friends, this is the Xpulse 200 BS6 in white color. It's just arrived in the showrooms yesterday. I'm here to cover it for you. Let me give you a close look of this fantastic value for money product from Xpulse. That is the Xpulse from Hero MotoCorp. There's no other competition in this price bracket for this fantastic vehicle. It remains the same all around. Let me give you a walk around of this white color here, right here. So this is it. This is the Xpulse in white. It's kind of a matte finish, kind of a glossy. I'm taking precautions. I put on a gloves. Stay safe wherever you are. If you're going out, take the adequate precautions while shooting while shooting the video. I'm just taking the precautions I need to take. So I would urge all my subscribers and viewers to do the same. Stay safe wherever you are. This is the Xpulse 200 in white, pretty much the same vehicle. And let me just point out what would be the differences one would find in the white color with respect to the rest of the colors, the red, be it the red, the gray or the black or the green right here. So basically there wouldn't be much change except for this. This is the tank here, which would be in white, and the stickering here basically would also be in the white shade here. So let me give you a close look. So this would be one of the differences, and rest of the body parts I feel are same. And one other major difference would be this what do you call, the handlebar protectors. These are finished in white, while the rest of the vehicles would be having this black colored ones. For the Xpulse white, you would find this put on in a white color, and this looks kind of very good. It has this matte finish here for the Hero logo, and the rest of the it is glossy. I think you can make it out you can make out here. It's glossy here and it's finished in matte here with the Hero symbol here. And one other difference you would find is this, the mudguard itself. This is finished in white with a black stickering here and the Hero logo. That would be it. Rest of the body parts remain the same. I don't see much of a difference, but whatever it be it, this color, the white one, looks fantastic, I say. So I want to put an end to all the confusion anybody has regarding this choice of colors. My first choice would be this, the white color Hero Xpulse, and right after that would be this red color one. This looks flashy. I would reserve my opinion, but it looks quite flashy, but it looks a good color compared to the rest of the ones. The third one would be the green color one, and there would be the gray color one also, and it's not available here right here, but I think you can watch my other videos. I'm at and this would be the black color one. This I'm not sure if it would be your choice of color. So friends, you're watching TechBeam Vlogs. I'm at Cybikes, Tumkur Road. Thank you to Mr. Reddy and the staff and the owners of Cybikes for allowing me to shoot this video. I'll be leaving the contact number of theirs. You can get in touch with them if you're looking at this vehicle. Friends, this is me, TechBeam Vlogs, trying to sign off, making this video here. This is the Xpulse 200 BS6. Fantastic color. So my choice is this. In case I need to buy an Xpulse, I would go with this. Friends, I would urge you all to go for this. This is the fantastic color that you can find. This is the white color Xpulse 200. Thank you for watching. Watch more. Encourage me to make more of these videos. Thank you once again. Goodbye. Have a great day, friends.